Hello, I'm Cassie. This is 26 impact socket set. It is 3/4 inch, 12 points. When you remove nuts in narrow environment, it's better than 6-point socket. And you look this, the fan thickness is more thicker. Except sockets, it includes quick release retreat handle, extension bar, L-shaped handle, sliding T-bar. You can use them in combination. This set made of CRV material with black phosphate. It can prevent from rusting and make long life. During production, we have special heat treatment to make the hardness within a certain range. So when you use our socket, it's not easy to break. We can supply OEM or ODM service. Like you can make your logo on the socket. You can customize the color of the BMC case, or you can choose color sticker of your logo. In your market, your user can distinguish your socket easily, so you will have a unique market. If you are interested in our socket, please contact me.